Hello everyone and welcome to Unicorns in the Kitchen. Today we are going to make Turkish stuffed eggplant called Karniyarik. Start by peeling strips from the skin of the eggplants and cut a slit in the middle of each eggplant without cutting all the way through. Fill a large bowl with water and add 1 tablespoon salt to it. Place the eggplant in salt water and soak for 30 minutes to get rid of their bitterness. This also helps the eggplants to absorb less oil while after 30 minutes, gently squeeze the eggplants and dry with a paper towel. Heat vegetable oil in a pan and fry eggplants on all sides until they're fully cooked and brown. The eggplants will be pretty soft. Place the fried eggplants on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Now let's prepare the ground beef filling. Make the filling by sautéing onion in olive oil. Add garlic to onion and sauté until they are golden brown and translucent. Mix in ground beef and brown it completely. Then add chopped green peppers and tomatoes. You can use Roma tomatoes or any other tomatoes you like. Next, add tomato paste, salt and pepper to the ground beef and cook for about 10 more minutes. You can also add other spices such as Aleppo pepper. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and place fried eggplants in a baking dish and start filling them with the ground beef mixture. Make sure that all the eggplants are filled properly. Make the sauce by mixing tomato paste and hot water in a bowl and then spoon it over the stuffed eggplants and pour it into the dish as well. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes until the eggplants are fully cooked. Enjoy! You can find the complete printable recipe by clicking on the link in the description. And if you like our recipes, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time!